Before we get into searching Web of Science, I wanted to mention that you can create a Web of Science account. When you create this account, you can sign in and have access to your search history and save searches, and you can export citations for the articles you save in your account. To create an account in Web of Science, click on Sign In on the top right corner of the page. Then select Register. To register, provide an email address you would like to use for your Web of Science account. You can make this your UT email address or use a personal email. When you sign up for an account, you will receive an email with a code to verify your email address. Make sure you check your email and paste the code into the box to verify your account while you're signing up. After you enter the code you were provided by email, you will need to fill out the information for your account. This includes your name, the password you would like to use, and some other information about your studies. You can make the password the same as your NetID password, or you can use a different password. Just keep in mind that when you change your NetID password, this password will not change with it because it's hosted through a separate service. One thing of note on the sign-in page is the automatic sign-in. You can choose to sign in automatically if you're on your personal computer. But if you're using a public computer, make sure you have I am using a public computer selected. When you've completed the registration, you will get a notification that you're now signed in. You can close this pop-up and you will be signed into your account. Now that you've signed in, any searches that you do will be saved into your search history, and you can save items to a marked list, and they will be there the next time that you sign in. You don't have to use a Web of Science account when you're searching on Web of Science, but if you're doing a lot of research, it's very helpful to have a sign-in because it will maintain your search history for you, and you can save items directly to your account instead of needing to save the links or email the items to yourself. In our next video, we'll talk about the different types of searches you can do in Web of Science, and I'll show you some search examples as well.